Yeah, and then, oh yeah, the main reason why people are not making a plan is because they say it takes too long. Well, just today, I was having a look at a book that I like a lot for the IELTS, okay? And I was reading through the part where they talk about writing, and then actually they have very big, make a plan. They actually suggest 5 minutes for your plan. All right. To me, I usually suggest 3 to 4 minutes to my students, okay, especially for task 2. All right, but I think it's really personal, okay, how long you're gonna spend making the plan. All right, but everyone is suggesting it, okay? So even if you feel it takes too long, it might not be that long in the end. Maybe time yourself. So next time you're gonna do your writing, time yourself and check how long it takes you, all right, to make the plan. Okay, check that. And then maybe you see how long it's taking you. But it's interesting because once you start planning, okay, you will see how much your writing process is faster. Okay, you will see that when you don't have a plan, you start writing and you stop and you start and you stop and you start and you stop. When you have your plan, all the ideas are there. You just have to write. Okay, guys, so I don't think planning is a time waster. Planning is actually a time saver, okay? But if you are uncomfortable with planning, practice it, okay, guys? That's why it's so important to practice before the test. Sorry. Okay, guys, so yeah, so definitely try that, okay? You're gonna see that your writing will be much, much better.